Question number 7, paper 1, June 2019. Yasmin swims at her local swimming pool. She pays $4.65 each time she visits the pool. Calculate the total amount of money she pays for 7 visits. So, total visits are 7 and each visit she pays 4.65. So, we can solve this by using multiplication. So it will be 7.65 multiplied by 7. 7 5 is 35, carry 3, and 7 6 is 42, and 3 45, 5 is here, 4 is carry. So 7 4 is 28 and 4 32. After 2 numbers there is a decimal, so we put decimal after 2 numbers. So answer is $32.55. So $32.55 she pays for 7 visits. Part B. On one visit she swims 40 lengths. The first length she swims is length 1, the second is length 2, and so on. And the third time she swims length 3, and then length 4, length 5, and the next is she swims on her back on length which have numbers that are multiple of 4 or 5. Calculate the number of lengths that she swims on her back. First we have to understand the question so that we can solve it quite easily. To understand we must have to draw the 40 lengths. This is length 1, length 2, length 3, length 4, length 5, length 6, and so on. So 40 lengths. So the first time she start from here A to B, and this is length 1. So there is no back, and on the length 1 she does not back. So there is no back, so it is 0, no back here. On the second there are 2 lengths, so she start from B. First she start from A to B, so there is no back, and then the second she swim 2 lengths, so she goes from B to A and back from A to B, so there is 1 back here. Similarly in third when she start from B, so she goes 1 and she back here, and then she go B to A, so there is only 1 back, so 1 back is here as well. So similarly in the fourth length, when she reach at A, she start from A now, so she start from A to B and then B to A, so there is 1 back, and then B to A to B there is no back, and B to A there is a back. So there are 2 back when she start from A to B for length 4, and length 5 she stop at A, then she start again from A, so A to B this is forward, and B to A is back, and then B to A is forward, and then B to A is back, and then back. Basically A to B first go and then back, then go, then back, then go. So 2 back are here as well, and the length 5, and she stop at B. Now when she start from B, so she goes to forward A and then back B, then go and then back, and then go and then back. So how many back are there in the 6 length? 1 2 3 4 6 length. 1 back, 2 back, and 3 back. So she took 3 back in 6 length. And the 7, now she stop at B, so start from B, so there is forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. So there is 1 back, 2 back, 3 back, so 3 back here as well, and the length of 7. And finally the 8th length, she start from now A, so A to B is forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, and forward. So it is forward, back, 1 2 3 4 back. So she took 4 back in 8 swing. Now the total bags she took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 and 4, 16. So 16 bags she took when she swam 40 length. So 16 is the correct answer. So, it is all about this question. Still there is any problem, you may write in comment. I will reply you inshallah.